Hey everyone, so after my swimsuit haul, I got a lot of requests for a workout routine or a what I eat in a day. So I'm gonna give you both of those in one. I figured I'd film a what I eat in a day for you guys and just how I stay active with everything still being closed. If you guys didn't know, before quarantine I was going to like barcode classes and I really liked them. Now those aren't a thing and I'm not motivated to do that type of workout at home, so I've completely switched it. Right now I'm gonna go walk. There's a little place just a couple blocks from me, a walk-up coffee order thing, so I can take Ernie on a short walk there, get coffee, and come back. I don't ever buy coffee, I normally make it, but we're out of coffee grounds and I just drink black iced coffee no matter what, or black cold brew, so it doesn't really matter. But let me show you what I'm wearing. Here's the outfit of the coffee run because my brother sucks. Look at what he has right there. What did he not get me? Coffee. This is my dad's shirt and I'm wearing Nasty Gal sweatpants. I'll show you guys a full haul later on, and then also I'm going to show you guys a few ways to wear these and really utilize basics in your wardrobe. There's an Ernie, and then these are Adidas Rivalries, but I ripped the shoelace because I'm the Hulk apparently. So now my brother gave me his shoelaces and they're way too long and they're really white. I've accepted it. Ernie said, "What the heck?" in my mask. See you guys at the coffee. Look what my brother just threw at me. We'll see when I get around to this. My room smells weird. Okay, I wanted to sit down and show you guys all of the Nasty Gal products that I was sent for this video. So thank you so much to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. I'm still wearing my sweatpants. And all the items I'll be showing will be linked down below, so make sure to check them out. The first thing I wanted to show you, you already saw the sweatpants, was something that I think would look so cute with this sweatpants is this little cropped blazer with shoulder pads, and I am a sucker for shoulder pads. I think they're so cute. I think that this is super flattering when you wear it with these sweatpants. Tuck you in a little on the waist, go out, and then this more boxy jacket really gives you that illusion of more of a figure flattering hourglass appearance that so many people strive for. The next piece is this tie front, really pretty brown colored top. I love these tie front tops. I think they're so flattering. I got mine in a medium. First set is like a waffle knit, a beige waffle knit material, and I think it's just so cozy. You can wear them obviously apart or together. I think this is great even for the summertime in the morning when it's a little more chilly. Going for a coffee run, you can throw this on and still have a breeze. And then the second matching set was something that I never thought I'd pick out, but I thought it looked so cute on the model. And I love this green pastel color. It's this ribbed kind of loungewear set that you can really dress up or dress down. I think this with like flip-flops or tennis shoes is so cute, like just walking around. And then if you want to wear it at night, you can pair it with a little pair of heels, strappy sandals. Okay, this shirt I actually already wore because I was too excited. I love this shirt so much. I think it's so flattering. In the try-on, you'll see I changed the chain, but it originally comes with this silver chain that I think is so cute, and I would definitely just wear this alone. But I changed it out for a gold chain I just already had. I wanted it to be gold because I always wear gold. So if you wear silver, awesome. You can just leave that chain in, or you can switch it out for a gold chain like I did. Then this little top, the high ribbed neckline top that everybody loves, but it's got a cutout, which are super trendy right now. And then the last top, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this style of top. It's the halter top with a ring in the middle. This just reminds me of the cool TikTok girls that like I want to be, and they have so many of these tops in a bunch of different prints and colors, and I think they're so flattering. I got two pairs of the same shoes in different colors. The first ones are these. Oh my god, these lime green little slip-on pumps I think are so cute. They have that trendy flared out heel but like not too much. It's the perfect amount, and a pointed toe. And then I also got them in tiger print, zebra print, I don't know what you'd call this, but they're just so cute. I think either of these shoes, if you're just wearing like a white t-shirt and ripped boyfriend jeans, a cute purse, and you put on one of these, you look like $1,000,000. Honestly, I strive to be like Carrie Bradshaw, wearing her little kitten heels throughout New York, just like walking around. But make sure to check out Nasty Gal. Everything again will be linked down below, and let's get on to the rest of the video.
I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it what you asking for. Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name. What's happening? Cause you look so good. Tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I put you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh.
Hey friends, so I just changed my top, and I think that this top is really cute. It dresses up the pants a little bit more than just like the baggy t-shirt I threw on to grab a coffee in. I'm still wearing the same shoes and the Nasty Gal sweatpants, but this makes it a little more fun and summery to go on a walk with Ernie. And this is my workout routine portion. I just really don't like doing little workouts at my house by myself. I'm not motivated enough to do it. Going to walk Ernie, that is a motivation because he needs the exercise, so I'll go get the exercise. Every day we do at least 2 miles in the morning, and then we'll normally do another 2 miles at night. Especially with still kind of quarantining, we've been pretty bored, so we just go on a bunch of walks, and I want to get to know my area and walk around more. That's my workout, is I just walk. And I would say it's kind of like a speed walk because Ernie likes to get a move on, but it is not a jog, not even close, nothing close to a run. Like, they are distant cousins, my walk and a run. You want to go for a walk? Excuse me, do you want to go for a walk? I love you so much. We're gonna go.
She all on me, on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No. I can put you in a condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in a fur coat, lying in the Murcielago. I put you in a beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spin it all on you. Get about this club, slide with your boy, we can do what you wanna. Yeah, baby, I bought you in the back 'cause you need a little persuasion. Plus you need a little.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat all this, and also some of these jalapeno lime chips. I just really like them. They're tasty. And then I'm drinking a pamplemousse LaCroix. And that is lunch. It's already 2:35 and I'm just eating lunch, but I just eat a lot later in the day, and I like to eat like up until right before I go to bed. You'll see. I'll get everything in, don't worry. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this and watch some YouTube. You guys, my food is here. It's taking everything in me not to just eat it that I want. I'm treating myself. This is the worst angle ever. Sorry, I'm trying to get my shoes off. The lighting right now, I just took like 4 TikToks. I thought I knew the dances. I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I dress up my sweats if I were going on a date night. And here is the final look with the sweatpants. I think this is so like model off duty. I love how big and baggy the sweatpants are. Literally just so cute. I just paired it with a plain black tank top, leather blazer, and my Jordans. And also some big hoops. I think some other big gold jewelry would look really cute too. And the hair slicked back, I think is just an absolute must. So yeah, let me show you guys what you were actually waiting for now, the food, because that's what I'm waiting for. We've got a LaCroix. Is this a mukbang? Oh my god, this is so much ranch. That's all ranch. Vegan ranch. I got it because I want it for later. We got a big cookie. Welcome to my mukbang. This is how Ernie begs. I know he's perfect. And then I just did a small order of French fries. Dang, in the sunlight, they are perfect. And then the vegan chicken tenders with buffalo sauce. Oh my god, so excited. This isn't an actual mukbang, whatever you want to call it. I'm probably gonna watch. Hello, am I in focus? Okay, this lighting to die for. I'm gonna sit here, watch some YouTube, I just dropped my camera. My tripod just fell over and I think it broke my autofocus. I will actually cry if that's the case. I'm just saying it like it's funny, but please don't. iPhone quality is like an aesthetic now though, so what I'm gonna tell myself when I have to use my iPhone. I'm gonna eat this and that concludes this video. Remember to check out all the links below in my description box to Nasty Gal. All the items I wore will be linked down below, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.